The other day, we got this lovely testimonial from a fly baby in Kansas, Martha, and she had made these lovely roses for friends of hers. And she started with a pink rag, some floral tape, and some straws, and she just put the diagonals together and folded it over, and then she wrapped some floral tape around the end and started wrapping that end around the straw. As you see, it's just quite simple. And she was turning this into a rose, so she twisted it right around until she got it all on the straw. And then she took the floral tape and wrapped the base of the rose. And it is just so adorable. She sent me all these pictures, and I just had to make a simple little video for you to see how you could turn some of those pink rags you've never taken out of the bag into some roses for some people for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you all. Enjoy.